Solo Printing is a 40-year-old commercial printing company here in Miami, Florida. So we just made 40 years. We are a digital sheet fed and web operation, full general commercial printer from catalog work, publication work, direct mail work, specialty work. So we are a general commercial printer. Here at Solo, our specialty is fulfilling our clients' needs with high quality, quick turnaround times on all your commercial printing needs. My focus is really company growth and strategy for the future, how to grow business, what new capabilities to bring in, such as the perfect binders we did last year. Again, expanding our capabilities for our core business. Our typical or ideal client ranges. It could be from your enterprise, large corporation, Fortune 500 clients, down to some smaller. So it could be general marketing collateral, a lot of direct mail, some catalog work, publishing work. Our core type of client could be anything from a healthcare to retail. Hospitality is a huge one. So again, we're not really pigeonholed into one area of the print world. It's a pretty wide gamut. The Solo Printing and Müller Martini relationship goes way back, probably about 35 years or so. So it started with the stitchers. We've relied heavily on Müller for our stitching capabilities, which we have some of the latest equipment there, which has helped really maximize our efficiency. Most recently, we added the two Alegro perfect binders, which have dramatically increased our productivity and capability for roughly about 40% between make-ready times, the speed, the equipment, the efficiency. It's really opened up our capacity in the perfect binding department. So prior to the Alegro perfect binders, make-readies could take anywhere from 2 to 3 hours depending, and that was due to lack of automation in the old equipment. The new equipment, the Allegros, have a lot more automation on the setup side. They're more electronic, I guess if you want to call it. So a lot of the information for the setup of the machine is all done through one board where the operator is able to punch in all the information he needs and the machine starts making adjustments. There is some parts that are still manual, but for the most part, it's increased dramatically. I think we've cut our setup times probably in half. Addition to that is the low amount of waste that we have to put through the machine to set up the machine. Again, everything is automated, sizes are punched in, the machine makes adjustments. With a few books, we could see if everything's set up and we can start running. So I would say conservatively, we've cut our make ready and setup times in half. We've also expanded in our digital department with additional presses to fill capacity. We've expanded in our mail department with inserting lines and additional inkjet lines. Overall in the shop, and we're always trying to find somewhere where we could better a process, whether it's with new equipment, more training, or just some upgrades on equipment. So it happens throughout the shop pretty consistently, but the big stuff has been in the digital and the mail department recently. Müller have been longstanding partners of ours. That goes hand in hand with not only the equipment itself, but also the training, the support that they give us. For the new Alegro perfect binders, we did a couple of weeks of training and then a lapse, and then a couple of weeks more of kind of refresher. We also were able to send our two operators to the factory to do some training with the equipment before we got it. That really helped us kind of get up to speed real quickly once the machine was installed. My operators were very knowledgeable in perfect binding. That's what they've done their whole career. But again, this has a lot more technology to it, so there is a learning curve to it, but with Müller support, it's been pretty seamless. We've needed them. They're either on the phone with us or they send the tech over to help us walk through things, so their support has really been a key to the success in that department.
Müller Martini provides excellent on-site training before, during, and after installation. They stay with us from day one through our first production run. New technology helps operators to perform a faster and easy make-readies. Young operators love new high-tech equipment. Having Alegro shows we are investing in the future and going in the right direction.
So our capacity with the new binders has increased probably about 35 to 40% just in volume that we could push through the machine due to make-readies, speed of the machine, the ease of operation. That has translated into having the ability to take on additional work from current clients and new clients. Previously with our old binder, it was a great machine, but There was times the machine was booked and we would have to turn down work just because we didn't have a solution for it. Having one is great of the new machines, but having two is even better. So it allows us to really be nimble and fill clients' needs, which, turnaround times are crucial for some of the work. So the revenue growth has come naturally just from the increase in capacity and allowing the sales team to really push harder and take in work when we are busy on that machine. So we're going to continue expanding our current capabilities with as much automation as we can, as much new technology is available in the commercial print space. So the other avenue is really leveraging our vendor partners with services that we don't currently offer in-house so that we could be a one-stop shop for our clients, whether it's signage, premium products, various different things. And then lastly would be really expanding our digital footprint in the digital department with additional capabilities and offerings in the VDP world, which is growing, probably the fastest growing sector, I think, in the print world right now.